This is Ford Park car park. And we're heading up to John Barrow Memorial in Ulverston. So you can probably tell the weather is absolutely gorgeous today, considering how the weather's been lately, and also the fact that it's the 27th of November. I think it's absolutely brilliant. Oh, absolutely fantastic blue sky, no clouds as we're looking at the lighthouse memorial. And this here tells you all about Sir John Barrow. So it says here that Sir John Barrow died in London exactly 120 years before I was born. All the way up to the monument, I think it's situated on Hold Hill, and you've got these fantastic views of the bay over there. And the weather is just amazing for this time of year. Probably won't be like this for long, so it's good to try and make the most of it while we can. Just down there's booths and the Mackies over there. Very important. Not something you see very often on these kind of walks. Forgive my heavy breathing, but all the way up there are benches everywhere. That's fantastic. Go to some places where it's all flat. No need really to rest on a bench, but they don't even have them there. So I think this is excellent. Just coming up the last stretch now. Fantastic walk, amazing views, and lovely weather. What's not to like? Another thing I noticed last night when I was driving back from Ulverston back to my hotel was that that beauty was all lit up at night, and it looked absolutely amazing. And these are the lights that do that, provide the majestic illumination all around 360. And like I say, benches everywhere, there, and a lovely one there near that flagpole. Absolutely amazing place. And also, anybody who's a fan of Laurel and Hardy, as I am, there's a kind of a museum in the middle of Ulverston. I'd like to point it out from here, but I honestly am not certain, so I don't want to be guessing. But it's this monument does overlook Ulverston, so you can probably pick it out somewhere if you know what you're looking for. and been to quite a few of these places. Ashes Beacon, Winter Hill, Darwin, and then back over here to the lakes. Should explore there more as well when I get round to it. We've just seen that it was erected in 1850, so Sir John would have been still alive then for a good 18 years. Nice for him to experience it. One to him in his honour. Sure he'd have loved that. I did think when I was down before I started climbing up that it was a lovely calm day. Obviously the higher up you get, the winds do start picking up, and I'm at the top now. It is windy, but not too bad, so I think I might fly the old bird up. Mini 3 Pro today. See how it goes. Well, I hope you liked the drone footage. Hopefully it will turn out okay. and I'm going to start heading back down nice and slow, and I'll see you on the next one.